Good morning. Welcome to the 8th chapter Non-Violence, Wisdom, Power. The invention and the use of iron implements and weapons marked an important landmark in the advance of man. Iron tools and weapons led an increase in the agricultural production. When agriculture became the main occupation, people began to lead a settled life. Increased production led to the development of trade. Trade centers grew into markets and towns. The towns and other urban centers slowly become centers of authority. Each of these was held by a ruling clan comprising various tribes. Caste system and social inequalities came into existence. Against these inequalities, Buddhism and Jainism emerged. From this chapter, we can understand the emergence of Mahajanapadas, the social background that led to the emergence of Buddhism and Jainism, the progress achieved in the field of art, literature and science during Maurya and Gupta period. Name of the chapter: Non-Violence, Wisdom, Power. Read the poem. This is the poem of Vailopilli. Based on this poem, we can find the way in which the human life attained progress in India. We have discussed the Aryan invasion along the Gangatic Valley. As a result of Aryan expansion to the Gangatic plains by the 6th century BC, several agricultural lands and settlements were formed in the region. These settlements with newly developed trading centers and towns were known as Janapadas. The settlements with newly developed trading centers and these settlements with newly developed trading centers and towns were known as Janapadas. Several such Janapadas extended up to the Godavari basins. 16 Janapadas gained prominence among them and came to be known as the Mahajanapadas. Magadha was the most powerful among the Mahajanapadas. Which is the most powerful among the Mahajanapadas? Magadha. Which are the 16 Mahajanapadas? Magadha, Angha, Vajji, Valsa, Malla, Kashi, Kosala, Chedi, Panchala, Ashmaka, Avanti, Surasena, Kuru, Malsya, Gandhara and Kamboja. These are the 16 Mahajanapadas. Magadha had large deposit of iron ore. The use of iron weapons and implements were instrumental in the growth of Magadha. Iron axe was effective in clearing the dense forest of the Gangatic plain. They were able to till hard soil using iron plowshare. Consequently, agriculture production increased. This stimulated trade and subsequent growth of cities. Magadha attained prosperity with the progress of agriculture and trade. This helped Magadha to organize a huge army and conquer the nearby regions. Rulers of Magadha during their reigns annexed other Janapadas to Magadha, thus making it a larger kingdom. What are the factors that helped Magadha to grow as a powerful kingdom? Large deposits of iron ore, agricultural progress, use of iron implements and tools, progress in trade. Which is the most powerful among the Mahajanapadas? Magadha. Study the name of 16 Mahajanapadas. Magadha had large deposit of iron ore. The use of iron weapons and implements were instrumental in the growth of Magadha. Look the next topic, Ahimsa. This is the proclamation of King Bimbisara of Magadha. What could have prompted him to make such a proclamation? We have discussed the role of agricultural progress in the growth of Magadha to a powerful kingdom. Cattle were the backbone of agricultural sector in those days. They were essential for plowing and a source of manure. Extensive killing of cattle as offering during the yagas adversely affected agriculture. It is in this context that King Bimbisara made such a royal proclamation. Magadha was the most powerful among the Mahajanapadas. Magadha had large deposit of iron ore.